Mr. Yu wasongomoro wachicheka chisevo ngapo. Abe mguru beko viva.
Marpunga lone liko pfala nyana nabo nesindande. Never reduce.
Coming to think of something again. TB Joshua.
Oh man, rest in peace.
Yeah, he must rest in peace.
Hey, man, social media it was fire, man.
What is so interesting about what happened with TB Joshua? I don't want to talk about all this other
controversy.
I saw on Facebook, but it was not in his official
Facebook page.
Yes, they did a picture with his coffin there, and then they said there was an angel. They put Also, this angel was over the.
Let's be honest. I saw that one.
Number one. If the rumors are said to be true, but one may ask, like me, for one, I can ask. Okay,
you haven't.
Those angels are divided. Department. You understand?
No. Don't talk like it's a fact. You are talking like it's a fact and it's not a fact.
Murunga Gabriele. Murunga Gabriele.
No, it's hearsay. Let's whatever written in the Bible is hearsay. Say, do you know what the hearsay? Do you know what the hearsay?
In zino hapa none zino rich kwamba hapa none retome ujenisa nes professions asho tatu pe chingwa na chingwa. Okay, yes,
I read about him, I don't know him.
I heard
about him. I pray about him, but I don't know him. So any nigga say I'm best a fake nari.
Let's watch
Kuna Gabriel.
Oh, ngomzo rodopi.
Rodopi.
Mzori muzimu onangeza marunga na. You don't know. Since Bible was before Christ and after death of Christ.
In Rodopi zaba fundis. Zoguma. Namade.
And he talking about that. Varinji. That girl waru drop as a
child. Why you know yanga ngomuntu ni abya huko. Nani wachokota nani ngoita mimi huko nukelera pela pano.
No, those said we're not going to fly because
they were never going to steal.
There's an assault. You if you are asking, you can ask. Bible says you must ask, you shall be given. If they refuse, they refuse. It's simple as that.
Rone chariwanga helandela yori ra umbera katiko somandla. Mazulu bana limozina bambizangalo bari nyenyenyenyenyenye.
Yeah,
na umbera hapa like zori ningasi one ningasi receive.
Yeah, so komori somo wala muna umbera adzimiwa.
Mara hapa la
ona mwana maybe abombiwa kana ngane wao bataziba itakana nepo influencer.
Yeah, let's not go.
No, we just say.
Ayizimene ndoruni nithi kwamba amapungoti akonyaga utoma unkhumbuza ngamapungo eayite.
Adena
roba rotozula.
Yeah.
Nga Sunday. Oba una party nga Saturday ya mkeguru ratozula abo zino rotochila. Ngozibona ezuri ko unwa ngorali. Bana bakotamba hapo badani. Ni de maskitani.
Yeah, maskita yeah.
Matombo kiki.
Abala bana baba chikwamba mapungo. Abala bana ba amba mapungo. They are good narrators. And zvine baba bachikuzvi amba ndikuchiro habukuma kuma.
Adenalo.
Mapungo keya ngamrawo hamusi nditodi inisumezi sormini ngegulu yela department ya ufunza bana na mina zote ndi ntuye yachibe ya buroto tafulani na mkala wachibe wa buroto ngauri bafunza bana bo baba chikufunziwa bibili.
Yes.
Baba na mapungo auri niko bona mwana ako ita mina ako imisa chanda then ntomo bana taizo na imisa mutetezuri Mwana kana ndi slow learner kana mini ndiko tea mupa attention ifhio. Ngozivona. Bambo the number bari no. Ndi ḓo vhudzisa mbudziso ya simple nga maanḓa ine vhana vha ita mini vhoṱhe vha ya i ḓivha. Mara ndi ḓo wala ṅwana a vha a songo imisa tshanḓa na kha heneyo mbudziso. Vha mu vhudzisa vha ri yes inwi
answer the question.
Mboso bheni legal ni songo imisaho tshanḓa. Ḓo no mbudzisa kuseso ndi nnyi. Wala ṅwana o mbo ḓi tou namba vha ḓivha uri ndi mini. Nṋe hafhaḽa hayani dzharaṱani a hashu vho ri ri songo amba mafhungo a vhathu. Zwino mbudziso ya uri khotsi ya Yesu ndi nnyi, hai i nga tou fhindulwa nga Maria ene muṋe. Maria ndi ene ane a nga ri vhudza ngori hupfhi ṅwana u ḓivhiwa nga miau, a nga ri vhudza uri khotsi ya Yesu ndi nnyi.
And we know that Joseph was not the Jesus khotsi ya Yesu.
Zwino zwi thoma u ni vhudza uri mini ni ngo funza tokoloshi ino i ḓivha more than you, i ḓivha controversy ya u bebiwa ha Yesu Kristo uri hu tea u dzheniwa nga ngomu mabaini zwino upfhi muya mukhetho wo ḓa. Ni khou kona u pfesesa. So hola ṅwana u khou tshila vhutshilo ha the now hupfhi the now hupfhi the now wa zwi uri ṅwana ha rengiwi. Nṋe ndi ralo wa ri tshi ḓivha uri ṅwana u tou ya rengiwa.
Vho mpula tshibani.
Ngo kona u pfesesa ya vho purchase.
Wo vhela tshiḽipi.
Wo vhuya na thundu. Ngo zwona. Zwino hola ṅwana ne u tshila vhutshilo vhune vhabebi vhawe nṋe marai. I give it all to vhabebi vhawe. I give it all. Vha khou mu vhudza vhutshilo ha vhukuma vhutshilo vhune ha khou tshiliwa uri stay away from mafhungo a vhathu. And ṅwana ha rengiwi hu itea so na so a kona u vha na ṅwana.
But this is what's happening now. If you not check out your grade 2, it's grade 3. But the book that's cool. But also sumbedza uri gas maybe food.
Yeah.
But you couldn't have so.
That's the problem. What kheresana by the next picture bakuvula zwiambaro, third picture bakudia. But it was like a sort like
as much as ndichifuna uba modern name fit ndina challenge khulwane nga maana ngokona mfesa.
Yeah, but we can't discuss education.
Mwana ndiko tiyo to mubudzisa hani wa muzanuri inwi they will touch your boobs. They will pat your back. Yeah. They'll pat. No, they will pat your back. They will pat your back. Home wreckers.
Number 2000. But Dombuza, it's well level what corona, whatever they call it. People, I think they mix to be diseases day in and out. This thing has a mask moon. Are you comfortable with it?
Hey. Inzima lendlela.
Yabona master.
Enameva iyahlaba.
Mr. Uhuru. Entry maske. Tuna dogolo dia 69.
Kema kumoni yabona zino. Ndichifonyo.
No, abe
ndiri no number mask.
Nichihula. Atiri. Udi tawuze ma ngandira ya itonibe yawo. Nichihula una zvina zvilena from the parents, from the community, from what unaita age.
You're out about meaning you're out bringing. You're out bringing something like that.
Sino kwa mala mapungo. Bamusanda nga hapa diri diri kona zwezwi musi niko kwasha lutanga.
Ngo amula shonja.
Keso ngo amula shonja. Ngora 69. Musanda ziko dia zichipeza diri. Ha. Tu. Adongo bra mask.
Nendigane muzari. Why avela mutwar. Rene badam vel.
Keva.
Tindi gomba when you grow up,
ndidelimuza why baba kuti pfamara aba
adena
ndibore amapungo rumini rine rjalu wati afi nichipeza ushisha ti ndio famara ni pala tsina mushisho wanu or nasa famare bako don yi ba don jera musazi ndo ruso pumu mzora abajimika sho abajifa ruviri ari ndido jero musazi ruviri lino ndi abuziso hevana rikwamba zvojera na vasazi ojerwa musazi hevana ngacho chipinga I was less than 10 but I grew up knowing that ndafa mari ndiva ndikori mini ina a real connotation yopi nasa famari ndojerwa musazi ndikana rikotijeriwa na vamwe mara azvina vukwamani na upfamare
zvino ndikwamona nemapungori
kana ri mushisho utonengisa uri ndoshisha mani mpu
mana zvino ndikwamona zori why majita manje achiteledza mbara mask akuhangwa
zvino hapanoni ndichikouya hanga ndikoutsapala kuri ndichitsapala ndikwambara kokula kumask nyana kula ndire Chris apende ndezokuvana mask ndikwambara kula kungu kumask avalatu kana vakudza pakopuputera time avana mumwe mask waspenga apo golini na ndichiri enda zvidivora uhone mari udavona red lips zvivimini nderai man ima ndipe vavoetu ngori vakanyaka urenga mini mbombozi ende nane ndikojena nepala ngobona mbombozi ndikorenga nepala nderai ima ndivape mara ndariya hezvi zvigovava avongo zvidowela utohumbela zvauri ula mntu una red lips na mini wambarirwa nganyi hana ndava nazvo ezvo zvitu hana ndava
this show reshuta rotovenamira yothe ya COVID-19 and rinencourage kuti vodori vamarimi mask
varivena zvounwavo
but wamari mask as per government request and we urge you all our followers our relatives
vateveri vasho rinefunanga manda zula notsorelezeya we uambara mask asi mapungorini koteyoto uambara uri nijene vengelini lini nikotsireleza inwi mune nimbuze zvino zvamutu akojiya ula mask wava uambarwa nga chimebi changa unazo red lips ukonyango uambara ene chipikotendere ndiri ajaine ovonewa auamba hey asi ndiudzitsireleze zvila zvitu
ndimutu wesina uri chipikotendere
endini
wolf character
barimini yazvipa ngoyenyawe nyadiva ngo
ichivosvika dendere nditero
chipikwa dendere utsireleza vone
yes ngachivenda fi nditero
nogudamini
ngachivenda
nditero ichipera tero umbudzinamba fi nogudamini
nambori ka this rokuda uri musadzi wamwe muna joli
nanyatadiva zvino ndiwovi musadzi wamumwe muna ajoliwi zvikobvokawo zvinhu zvonezo zvitu nai
rurufukakazvokazvomask man
riko evolva ariko revolva riko evolva
ndichikuwa zviviri
ndiri kainene nikotodiyormini yasavansu idopachena
ndachitokraima chikoro
okay, Rico evolve, we going forward.
So don't Rico revolve no evolve, whatever. Let's go.
And you mention a rhythm.
ala madikheya alishia water madono kuba zimbiru madono chenisa mbiru mtu muya wavivona jealous ama dhavi azvipa kutoona chigubu pedzombo dzeva mutu